Oh, yeah, I'm remembering y'all reading. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Guys, okay. I'm remembering your reading from last month, so it's making sense. So let me tell you what I'm seeing here, and I'm going to tell you what I'm seeing at the bottom of the deck. So, what else I'm seeing? So anyway, you guys, I feel like somebody's trying to come back in. So this is definitely like somebody that you were dealing with before. They want you to know that when they come back this time around, it is safe for you to love them. They're not going to leave you hanging. They're not going to ghost you for friends, family, like they're done. They're done playing games. This person is trying to muster up the courage to come back towards you to express their love to you. They want to tell you how much you mean to them, what they want, the plans, all of that for the future. And they know that there's a strong connection between the two of you. But see, religious factors. There are a lot of beliefs that I feel like have been kind of keeping you guys separated. Whether they're like traditional beliefs because of family. You know, family may have had an issue with you guys being together. For some of you guys, there could have been like spiritual, like if a lot of you guys are into the occult and maybe that person, you know, definitely wasn't, that could be, you know, an issue there. But this person realized like you're the one, like they know this and they want to come back. That's why it is safe for you to love is there. They do want to have a new love with you. So I feel like there's a new offer coming in towards you. And see, right now, they're still hesitating because they know that they were being very immature and childish towards you. And they're still trying to heal family issues. So, yeah, that's why I was like, I'm remembering the reading that I did for you guys last month because it's still lining up. But what I'm seeing is this person definitely wants to come back to start something with you. All right, Capricorn. So, yeah, let's hop in. Let's see what's going on. Okay, Spirit, I'm going to do a general reading for my Capricorn. Alright, let's see. Bottom of the deck, I have the Four of Wands. See, this person that messed up, they're worried. They are worried. And I feel like they're worried because they're unsure if you're going to take them back or not. But see, look, I told you. There's a new beginning coming. They want to start something new with you. But this person was being sneaky. They were being very sneaky in the past. And this is why they can't sleep. Yeah, I told you, they're worried. They're frustrated right now. They can't stop thinking about you. I do feel like they're definitely making some changes. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Scorpio. But I'm feeling like this person, they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a new beginning with you. And see, they know that they have to come towards you and speak their truth. They know this. And there is communication coming in. If you guys haven't heard from them, they're coming. They do want to have this new opportunity with you. But see, they're scared. They're scared because of how they treated you in the past. But I do feel like, even though they're nervous because they're not sure what exactly you're going to say to them, they're using their intuition. They are. They're trying to listen to their intuition. But see, yeah, it's fear. They're scared that things may not improve. See, I'm seeing it twice. They're really afraid that things may not move forward. It's not going to improve between the two of you because family could have been interfering. Friends could have been interfering. They could have been out here playing the field. It's just, yeah, they're trying to decide what to do. Tell me more. I saw the Seven of Wands try to jump out. This person's trying to clear away obstacles. But some of you guys could be dealing with an Aquarius. I feel like this person, they're really trying to hold on to hope that they can work something out with you. But at the same time, they just don't have any hope. Like, they know they messed up. So they made a decision. What's their decision? They're clearing away obstacles. This is more so down. I feel like they're coming out of being frustrated. They are. They're going to come out of being frustrated, but see, back and forth. They're in their head, guys. See, look at that. They're having a hard time. It's like they're trying to get out of their head. They're trying to drop whatever's been holding you guys back, whether it's themselves or external factors like friends, family, another individual. But this person, they're regretting everything. They're regretting their decisions. Tell me more. But see, they're no longer confused. This person knows what they want, but they're afraid that you don't want to have a new opportunity. That's why they have to come and express themselves to you. They have to. because they know you're not going to reach out. They want to have stability with you. They do. They want to move things forward. Tell me about the Ten of Pentacles, please. Justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Why is justice here for Capricorn, please? Clarify justice. Somebody's holding on. Ooh, okay. Yeah, there could be a situation or like a financial obligation that someone may have. Maybe they've been helping people. I do feel like this person wants to know the truth from you. They want to know how you're feeling, but they also know that you want the truth from them, and they know they have to speak up. So they did make a decision that they do want to move things forward with you. They do want to put in the work. That's the only way, yeah, that you're going to take them back. See, they're going to put in the work because they want to turn things around with you, Capricorn. They do. Tell me more. Look at Capricorn. Okay? There's the Ace of Cups. You're getting your offer. You hear me? Whatever that was in the way, friends, like I keep saying, friends, family, a love interest, that's about to get pushed to the side. Do you hear me? Because this person is coming back. They do not want to lose you. They don't. They're coming back to give you this offer. Oh, yes. They do not want you to cut them off. You mean more to them than whatever situation was holding you back. So, like, if it's family, yes, they care about family, but they're realizing they're miserable without you. If it's a love interest, it's like this person wasn't even worth it from what I'm picking up here. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. This was an Aries, yep. Thought I saw the Emperor. This person, you could be dealing with an Aries, but I feel like without you in their life, I'm telling you, they realized that there was no stability. Y'all, ooh, the Chariot tried to come. I'm telling you, this person, Capricorn, listen to me, okay? I'm about to tilt my head down, okay? Listen to me. This person is coming back. Like I was trying to say before the wheel just jumped out, this person wants to move forward with you. You are their person. They love you. They don't care what anybody has to say. They're done playing games. Look at that. The Wheel of Fortune is here. This person, they had to go through lessons. They're learning their lessons to the point where, I'm telling you, they're moving forward. Capricorn, they're coming. They're coming. But see, they're sad. They're sad because, one, they hurt you. Two, if there is some type of financial situation, for some of you guys, maybe they know that they're going to be taking a financial hit because they have to walk away from a third-party situation or something that they were invested in. And this is the issue. For a lot of you, they're still upset with themselves because they walked away from you. They left you hanging. They did. Y'all. See? This person feels like you... no, we're not doing that. This person feels like you don't want to build with them anymore, but see, they want to have a victory with you. They do. Tell me more. And this was their lesson. Oh, y'all, Capricorn, we're halfway through. I'm going to tell you now, y'all better drop some comments. Because I'm telling you, somebody's coming back. Could be dealing with a Virgo, but this was their lesson. Now they're sitting back thinking about everything. Look at that. They're removing themselves from that third party. I'm telling you, friends, family, career, associates, animals, whatever. They're removing themselves, okay? Nothing, no one, I'm telling you, listen to me. Nothing is going to stop them from coming back to you this time. That's why Spirit said it is safe for you to love them. This person means business. That's only if you want to take them back, if you're willing to give them another chance. I'm not sitting here saying jump, head first back into the relationship. You got to take a deep dive. I'm not saying that at all. But for those that, you would like to give this person another chance, you know that they have to prove themselves. So, hey, make them put in the work. Let's see if what I'm seeing here, if they come back to you, if this person's coming back. When they come back towards you, let's see if they put in the work. You're going to be sitting back and watching them. You're not really going to make a move. You're like, okay, well, let's just see. You're gonna see if they can be consistent. Because whatever was holding you guys back, I feel like that energy is still somewhat lingering here. But it's up to this individual to show you. I'm putting my foot down with him, her, them, whoever, because I want to be with you. They're going to have to prove themselves. But I'm telling you, they are. I don't know who this is for, but getting so excited because I'm feeling this energy. And it's amazing. I'm telling you, somebody is getting ready to move forward. I feel it. See, this person made a decision. They made a decision to remove themselves from that third-party situation so they can come back and give you the offer that you deserve. See what I'm saying? Look at that. And they're going to come back with an apology. Y'all, oof. Calm down, Danielle. We got to calm down here, you know? Oh, my gosh, y'all. Okay. I'm so excited for whoever this is, because it's like, whoever this is resonating for, y'all have been going through it for so long with this person. You deserve happiness. Like, I'm picking up on somebody's energy, because I feel like I'm over here about to tear up. Okay. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign. Oh my God, y'all, I'm tearing up, sorry. Somebody's dealing with the earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. And this person is coming back to give you the offer that you deserve. Why y'all got me crying? What in the hell? What? I'm not dealing with no Capricorns. I'm telling you, I'm picking up on somebody's energy. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay. This person, they're coming back to apologize to you. It's just they're not confident in themselves because of what happened. Oh my, why y'all about to choke me up? Oh my God, get it together. Get it together. Okay. Whew. This person knows that they didn't balance things out with you. And see, remember when I told y'all this person is coming back? Y'all, I'm crying. What in the hell? Look at me crying. This person is coming back to give you guys an offer. And the offer, it's a small offer. Because remember when I told you guys a minute or two ago that this person knows that they have to come back and put in the work. And they have to prove themselves to you. That's that small offer. Because they just can't they will not just jump right in and say, I choose you. I want to be with you. Let's be exclusive. Let's just go ahead and do it. Here's a ring. I'm ready to marry. They're not going to do that because they put you through too much. See? They didn't balance things out with you in the past. And they know that. That's what I'm telling you. The offer is small. It's a small offer first. But it's going to lead up to the big offer. Because, see, I'm telling you, they want to give you this big offer. But because they didn't bring balance, that small offer has to come first. So, they made a decision. See what I'm saying? Look at y'all. They want to have wish fulfillment with you. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is your person. They want to have a family with you. But see, this individual, they were moving slow in the past. And I feel like they're moving slow right now. And it's not that they're confused. They're moving slow because when they do come back towards you, why I feel like I'm about to be choked up. I'm sorry, y'all. Who am I picking up on? This is pissing me off. Why am I sad? But this person, when they come back to give you the offer that you deserve, they want it to be right. They're not, I'm telling y'all, they're not playing with you anymore. They're not. Y'all. I have 4 more signs to do after y'all. Y'all gonna make me take a break for a second. See, this person, they're trying to decide. That's why they're moving slow, y'all. They're trying to decide on how exactly to approach you at this point because they don't want to make the wrong move. They don't want to make the wrong decision. Whew. Okay. But see, they can't help but to think about their past.